Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acid house. Acid house. Acid house. Acid house is a subgenre of electronic dance music known for its distinctive sound, characterized by the use of the Roland TB-303 synthesizer, creating a repetitive and hypnotic rhythm with a unique acid sound. It originated in the 1980s and is associated with the club and rave culture. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The emergence of acid house marked a revolution in the electronic dance music scene. Why acid house is used in example number 1. Acid house is introduced as a pivotal moment in music history. Example number 2. The signature acid sound in acid house music is created using the Roland TB-303 synthesizer. Why acid house is used in example number 2. Acid house is defined by its unique instruments. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.